Hey, third grade. So today we're going to work to decompose or break apart whole number fractions that are greater than 1. We're going to start with some fluency practice. I'm going to say the fraction, and you're going to tell me the equal or equivalent fraction. 1/2 is how many fourths? Exactly, 2/4. For the next one, I want you to shout the equivalent fraction after I read the number sentence. 1/3 equals how many sixths? It was like I could hear you shouting from here. 1/3 equals 2/6. For the next one, I want you to say the equivalent fraction in a robot voice. 1/4 equals how many eighths? Exactly, 1/4 equals 2/8. For the next one, I want you to say this in the softest voice you can. 1/5 equals 2 over. Wow, that's a tricky one. 1/5 equals 2 over 10. Now we're going to jump into our lesson for today. I want you to go ahead and talk to yourself. Why is this number bond true? We went over it yesterday. Exactly. This number bond is true because if you look, 1/2 and 1/2 equal 1 whole, which equals 4/4, which we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1/4. Today, we're going to push that understanding. Is this true? 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. How many halves is that? 4 halves. 4 halves is how many wholes? Exactly. 2 wholes. Now let's count our fourths. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. We only have 4/4. 4/4 is how many wholes? Exactly, 1 whole. So is this number bond true? No, because 2 doesn't equal 1. Now let's look at it again. How can we change this so that number bond is true? Think this over to yourself. What if I did this? I could say 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, which we said is the equivalent of 2 wholes, equals 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4. Is this true? Does 8/4 equal 2 wholes? Exactly, it does. So this number bond is true. We also, you might have shown it a different way. Here we have 1/2, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves, which we already said equals 2 wholes. Now, does 2 wholes, we have 4/4 and 4/4. How many wholes is 4/4? 1. How many wholes is 4/4? 1. It's 1 plus 1? 2. So is this number bond true? Exactly. This number bond is true because we have 2 4/4 or 2 wholes. This may be a little tricky, but you're going to have more time to practice. After you complete the Google form attached, I want you to go to iReady and Zern. We're going to continue to work on this tomorrow if it's a little confusing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Good luck. I miss you.